Right. Let me quickly. I think today we can complete our tute, right? Most probably, yes. Tisaja. Tisaja. Hi, Rishini. Hi, Suvisna. Hi, Matisha.
Hi,
Lakshmi.
teacher.
Asanda. Zain. Who is Tisaja? Is that a newcomer? Yes, Tisaja. Switch on the camera, darling. අද ඔයාලගේ ටීචර් චුට්ටක් සනීප නෑ. ඒ නිසා චුට්ටක් මාව අද බෙයා කරගන්න මට චුට්ටක් මේ චුට්ටක් මට අද චුට්ටක් අමාරුයි ඇඟට. පුතාලට මම මේ words ටික මේ explain කරාද මැනික? Did I explain these words? Ah? Did I ask you to write down these words in your writing book? Hello?
Sorry, teacher. Yeah, you told us to write.
Right, but I didn't explain. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay, right. First of all, we will learn the words. I will explain the words. After that, we can move to the rest of the lesson. Right. Tisaja, switch the camera on පුතා. Teacher අද කතා කරගන්න බැරි තත්ත්වයක ඉන්නේ. ඒ නිසා පොඩ්ඩක් සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න මේ කියන දේ අහලා චුට්ටක් වැඩ කරමු. එතකොට ටීචර් ටයර්ඩ් වෙන්නේ නැතුව මේ ක්ලාස් එක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මට හරියට උගුරට දෙනවා. කැහැලා මේ කතා කරගන්න බෑ. මං හිතන්නේ වැඩිපුර ක්ලාසස් කරන නිසාද මොකක්ද දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා අද චුට්ටක් සයිලන්ට් එකේ මං කරගෙන යන්නම් ඈ. හරි. අහන්න පුතේ. First word is what? Articulate. So I hope you guys have written these words and I'm going to explain them. Articulate. She's very articulate and explain her opinions with confidence, right? Articulate. She's very articulate in her language, in her idea delivery. Very articulate mean what? Able to express ideas clearly and effectively. If you are a person who can deliver, okay, okay, Thursday one, the refund.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the refund
Yeah.
one, right? Rishini, if I don't know whether you are aware about this or not, I am having a literature class for the grade 6 and 7 student, right? So you can join for a day and see whether it will add some extra knowledge to your life. All right, so the Matisha is talking about that presentation. So the literature class, we are conducting poems, drama, short stories, and novels, right? The literature techniques and all. So the language students, if you want, you can join and see whether there are things that you can add into your life, right? The first day is free, so you can join and see how it works. Matisha, you keep the presentation prepared. We will practice it on Thursday. So,
Okay, teacher.
articulate. If you are a person who has the ability to express your ideas clearly and confidently, we call the language articulation. Articulate, right? Very articulate. He is articulate. She is articulate. That means the people can deliver their ideas, deliver their expressions very effectively, right? Are you articulate? Are you an articulate person? Whether you can explain what you have in your mind, right? I'm a teacher, I'm a person who has the articulations during my class sessions, right? I'm a person who can explain a lesson very clearly. But when there is a problem, I don't know how to deliver my things. So I wish the people who are fighting with me, I'm not good at verbal fighting, verbal confliction, I'm not good. Verbal is good, right? My oral fighting is not good. When somebody scold me, I don't get the words, I don't get the ideas. I feel like you come and text with me, I'll give you nicely. I can't fight with the people orally. මට කටට කට ගහලා කතා කරගෙන යන්න බෑ. මට ideas එන්නේ නැහැ. කොහොමද ඔක කියන්නේ කියන එක තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. But there are some people, they have that articulation. Articulate කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? තමන්ගේ ideas පිළිවෙලට තමන්ට යම් දෙයක් පිළිවෙලට explain කිරීමේ හැකියාව තියෙනවට අපි කියන මොකක් කියලාද? Articulate. Right. Next one, confident. He spoke confidently during the presentation. What does it mean, the confident? Confident means you are feeling sure about yourself and your ability. If I know I have the talent and I know the vocabulary, I can handle the language, then I'll be able to conduct a class. Being an English teacher is easy, but being a literature teacher is super difficult. That's why you find only few people are able to conduct literature classes. You don't find many English literature teachers. English language teachers, yes, enough. Because you should have the confidence to handle that technique properly. තේරුණාද? confident විශ්වාසය නේද? Next one, respond. Respond, will you? Provide the answers, will you? You don't just listen to the teacher. Respond. When she is asking question, respond. What's the meaning of respond? Answer or reply to someone. Please respond politely when someone asks you a question. Okay? When somebody asks you a question, you have to respond it. If you keep your mouth shut and wait without uttering a single word, it's like you are disrespecting. No? When somebody is asking a question, you keep silent. It means you are disrespecting, you are not listening to them. You don't value their time, their effort, their ideas. What do you mean by clarify? Clarify to explain some. I need the clarification. You have to
Proper
clarify.
explanation.
Proper explanation. Could you clarify what you meant by that statement? So you give an idea, you express your opinion, but it's not that clear. Then we ask you, somebody asks you to clarify it. Provide the proper explanation. That is called clarify. Next one, engage. Engage mean what? Engage. Have you watched that video? The monkey punch monkey, Japanese. Have you watched that video? You don't? You didn't? Oh my goodness. I'll show you that. There's a small monkey in Japan zoo, right? In Japan, inside the zoo, there's a small monkey called Punch, right? From his birth, he doesn't have the tail. It looks like somewhat weird, like monkey without a tail. Monkeys, they have the long tail, maybe because of
Teacher,
that.
they are called apes. No?
This is not apes, this is a monkey, right?
Okay.
Yeah, monkey with a small tail, like this much of a small tail. So maybe he is different. His mother refused to have the baby. She chased him away.
Then teacher, I remember he had a friend which was like a toy plushie, no?
Toy orangutan. Toy orangutan.
Yes.
Yes. Did you watch that video? It's very
Yes.
hard.
I was.
Zain, did you watch that? No? Shall I show you? It's heart touching, you know. I just loved it. I fell in love with that small monkey. This is world famous now. You go to
Yes,
the
I also saw it in YouTube shorts.
Yeah, so
Short videos.
you go here. You go to the social media. The social media got filled with this baby monkey, ane.
Punch monkey.
Yeah, I'll show you. I don't think you will be able to see this.
Then some people like from different countries only came to the zoo only for him. That baby monkey.
Yeah.
Work today is broken. Every day, people juggle so many different tools just to get work.
It was a scorching day in July last year when zookeepers at Ichikawa City Zoo, just outside Tokyo, Japan, received a concerning report. A baby Japanese macaque had been found lying abandoned inside the troop's enclosure. The young monkey, later named Punch, had apparently been left behind by his mother, a first time parent who may have struggled under the intense summer heat. Recognizing the urgency, the zoo staff quickly retrieved Punch and began caring for him, understanding that a newborn macaque relies heavily on clinging to its mother not just for warmth and nourishment, but also to build muscle strength and a sense of security. Without a mother to hold on to, Punch faced a unique challenge. Zookeeper Kosuke Shikano, 24, explained that they experimented with various objects to provide the baby monkey with something to cling to, from rolled towels of different thicknesses to a range of stuffed toys.
Baby Japanese macaques immediately cling onto their mother's body after birth to build muscle strength. They also get a sense of security through holding on to something. However, because he had been abandoned, Punch had nothing to grip onto. We tried several options to give him something to hold. We rolled towels into various thickness to find something easy to grasp and let him try holding different stuffed toys.
After careful observation, the team discovered that a plush orangutan from IKEA offered the perfect combination of softness, long fur, and gripping points. This soft toy has quite long fur and several easy places to hold, and it looks like a monkey, Shikano said.
This soft toy has quite long fur and several easy places to hold, and it looks like a monkey. We thought that it looking like a monkey might help Punch integrate back into the troop later on. That's why we chose it.
With his new stuffed companion in tow, Punch quickly became a familiar sight in the enclosure. Visitors watched with delight as he dragged the plush orangutan behind him, climbed chains, navigated rocks, and explored the space with growing confidence. The zoo's careful observations revealed a heartwarming progression. As Punch spent time with his toy, he gradually began interacting more with the other monkeys in the troop. It depends on how Punch's confidence develops going forward, but recently he's been spending less time with the stuffed toy day by day, and he's interacting with the other monkeys more, Shikano said. If things carry on like this, I think he's likely to blend into the troop little by little, and I think there will come a day when he no longer needs his stuffed toy.
It depends on how Punch's confidence develops going forward, but recently he's been spending less time with the stuffed toy day by day, and he's interacting with the other monkeys more. If things carry on like this, I think he's likely to blend into the troop little by little, and I think there will come a day when he no longer needs his stuffed toy.
Punch's journey quickly captured the hearts of the public, gaining attention on social media and drawing crowds of visitors to the zoo. Many were inspired by his resilience and determination to adapt. Seeing Punch on social media, abandoned by his parents but still trying so hard, really moved me, said 26-year-old nurse Miyu Igarashi. So when I got the chance to meet up with a friend today, I suggested we go see Punch together.
SNS で seeing Punch on social media, abandoned by his parents but still trying so hard, really moved me. So when I got the chance to meet up with a friend today, I suggested we go see Punch together.
Her friend, 25-year-old Mai Nakanishi, added, he's already...
Did you watch? ඒක අර ලස්සන වීඩියෝ එකක් තිබුණා මම මේක තමයි බැලුවේ. නේද? තමයි punch. හරිද? ඒ තමයි punch. බලන්නකෝ. So engage, to attract and hold attention. So he is trying to engage with the other monkeys. No, take the attention from the other monkeys. Good speakers know how to engage their audience. So if you are a good speaker, you have to attract your audience. Next word is what? Engage and express. Can you please express your opinion to show or communicate thoughts or feeling? She expressed her ideas in a clear and respectful way. I'm trying to express my thoughts. I'm going to express my opinion. මම මගේ අදහස් මම මගේ සිතුවිලි මොනවද කරන්නේ? express කරනවා, පිළිබිඹු කරනවා. Next one, perspective. A particular way of thinking about something. From my perspective, communication is the key to success. What is the meaning of perspective? My idea, my opinion, mage adahasa. What is your perspective about the little monkey Punch? Do you think you should consider him as an innocent creature? He needs more love and attention, right? Most of the people, අපි හැමෝම එහෙමයිනේ පුතේනේ. There is a version of Punch in everybody's life because we are rejected by somebody. නේද? අපි හැමෝටම හැම කෙනාටම ආදරේ හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. කාගේ හරි ආදරයක් වෙනුවෙන් අපි මොනවද වෙන්නේ? ගොඩාක් කල් බලාගෙන ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. සමහරවිට අම්මගේ ආදරේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරලාට තාත්තගේ ආදරේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරලාට සහෝදරයෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරලාට නෑදෑයෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරට යාළුවෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. නේද? එතකොට අපි හැමෝටම දන්නවා ඔය දුක මොකක්ද කියලා. තමන් ආදරය කරන අපිට තව කෙනෙකුගේ ආදරයක් නැතුව ගියාම මේ ගහක් කොළයක් මොන හරි සමහර ළමයි ඉන්නව නේද? They keep their pillow as their best friend. They can't survive without their pillow. There are some girls, they hold their doll throughout their life. සමහර ගෑනු ළමයි ඉන්නවා එයාලගේ බෝනිකාව කොහෙ ගියත් අරගෙන යන්නේ. බෝනිකා නැත්තම් නින්ද යන්නේ නැහැ. පරණ බෝනික්කේ කෙන්න කැහැටි ගැහිච්ච මේ හැම ගැලවිච්ච. You have one. So you stick to that. Wherever you go, you keep it with you. ඒකනේ. ඒ අර මොන හරි අවස්ථාවකදී අපිට ඒක හිතට වැදිලා තියෙනවානේ. We are too attached to that. That is the reason. So next one, fluent.
I can show you it.
You have a toy.
I can show you it.
Show me. Right? Fluent, able to speak smoothly and naturally. So if you are fluent in your language, it's a nice one. It looks like a different one, but it's a nice one. It's a nice, beautiful new one. I have seen girls, they have kept their dolls when they are 16, 17, 18 years old, but the doll is too old. But they love it. They can't survive without it.
My doll is old. I think 9 years old.
That doll,
Yeah.
but it looked brand new. So your mama maintain a house in a very nice way. Maybe that is the reason. If it is, yeah, right? So the fluent mean what? You should be able to express your ideas without any hesitation. Words should flow like you open a tap and the water is flowing from the tap. That is called the fluent. නේද? චතුර විදියට භාෂාව හැසිරීමේ හැකියාව. Elaborate. I ask you, what is metaphor? Metaphor teacher, you take indirect comparison. You say metaphor. Ayo, metaphor teacher, indirect comparison. Can you please elaborate it? What's the meaning of elaborate? Explain.
We don't use LikeOS.
We don't use LICO as you bring two unequal things and bring their similarities. Talk about their similarity. Heart, stone heart. Stone and the heart, two different elements, but we say stone heart. Why? To say that the heart is very strong. Otherwise, it has no very lack of feelings, lack of emotion. That's why we say you have a stone heart, man. Gal hadawatak tiyenni කියලා. Nobody is having carrying a stone heart, but we use that metaphor to tell that somebody is having a very strong, less emotional heart. Understood, Vita? Yes. So can you please tell me the meaning, the word elaborate?
It means like
It means
telling
something
Sorry?
in more detail.
Yes. Explain something in detail. Explain something in detail. That is called elaborate. Next one, maintain.
keep.
So when you are
Wait.
having if you are having a hair like a long hair like Matisha, the maintenance is very difficult.
Ayo.
Yes or no? You have to maintain it. So
Ayo.
see the Suisna. Suisna goes inside. She goes inside the washroom, take a shower, come out, wipe her hair. She's ready. And with the long hair, we have to apply oil. We have to give the scalp massage. We have to wash it with shampoo. After that, conditioner. Then want to tap dry. Right after that, remove all the tangles. Keep the hair comb all the time. But oh my goodness, what a rubbish, right? And
Yes.
yeah, so
Teacher, do you also have long hair?
uh, yes,
Up to where?
up to hip level.
Hip?
Yeah.
My one close to knees. Yeah, close to the knees.
Close to me. So I have seen. So you are having a long hair. You need the maintenance, right? It's difficult to maintain the long hair. Yeah.
Somewhat close to thighs, not knees. Thighs.
You climb to the bed.
Close.
Then, you climb to the bed. Then we can see how long the hair is. Right, so to continue or keep something at a certain level, so if you want to keep your hair healthy, then you have to maintain. If you want to keep your house clean, then you have to maintain it. If you want to keep a relationship strong, then you have to maintain it. Yes or no? Otherwise they won't stick with you. No? It is important to maintain eye contact during a conversation. So when you are talking to somebody, you have to keep looking at the other person eye to eye. That is called the eye contact. To maintain eye contact is very important. Then only you understand, okay, this person is giving attention to me. Otherwise, like my camera is here, my screen is there. I am looking at the screen and speak. Maybe you guys are now familiar with that. Otherwise, I should talk to you like this. I should talk to you like this. Then only you feel like, okay, I'm talking to you. See the difference, right? See the difference? This is how actually I should speak. This is how I should explain the things. Then only you will understand. Zain and the Matisha and all. Is that clear? This is the correct angle I should use. But normally I use this one because my screen is here. Here I do have the camera, but the screen is here. I can't talk to the camera without seeing the faces. Because of that reason, I see the screen and speak. So you guys feel like I'm not talking to you, I'm looking at somewhere else and speaking. What do you feel?
Can't you put the screen next to the camera?
just behind the camera because Guru Nivasa is a Guru Nivasa. We have small classroom, very congested classrooms, and the just in front, just behind the camera, there is a wall, but there's a huge window there. Then when we fix the TV, you know, the during rain, the raindrops can damage the screen. Because of that reason, they have. I request them. I personally request them to fix the camera somewhere around, somewhere behind the camera screen, fix the screen somewhere behind the camera, but they are unable
Come
to.
to physical class so that problem will be solved.
Yeah, if everybody attend physical classes, it is
Ah,
impossible.
yes. It's very difficult to me.
Abhimansa, he is having a perfect setup. His classroom is spacious and all the requirements are provided to the dot, like the screen and the camera and classrooms, the camera angles and everything is perfect.
If this is your own classroom, teacher?
This is not. This is Abhimansa's institution. We are given separate classroom.
How many classrooms are there, teacher?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classroom.
Then you are in sixth classroom.
Sorry,
Then you are in sixth classroom.
I am in the lecture hall F. This is lecture hall F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, this is the sixth one.
Ooh.
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 Here everything is perfect, only the screen angle. I'm not satisfied with the screen angle. But it's okay. What to do?
How many floors are there?
Sorry?
Floors.
This is the fourth one, fourth floor. Fifth floor is getting ready to the other classes.
That side, Ashimi said it was very noisy. Up. They're still building, not it?
No, it is not. Maybe her classroom is noisy because hers in front of the near the office. So the people are visiting and all the distractions are there. But my classroom is in a corner behind the Abhimansa's classroom, very silent. Right? If I keep the window open, the scenery is beautiful.
Teacher, are you, is there any other teachers right now?
Yeah, Aloka sir, Rashi miss, and Dinesh sir, Shehan sir, they are conducting classes. All the other classes, all the other classrooms are engaged except Abhimansa. Abhimansa, maybe he is conducting only Saturday and Sunday. Right, next one, participate, to take part in an activity or discussion. So I'm going to conduct a debate. Can you participate to that? Participate, involve, engage, sahabagi venuma. Students are encouraged to participate actively in class. So if you are in a class, you have to actively participate to the class. Appropriate, suitable or proper for a situation. Appropriate mean what? Suitable. Use an appropriate language. You know that when you are talking to your friend, ade machan කොහමද? මොනවාද වෙන්නේ? එහෙමනේ. Right? මේ එනවා කොයන්ඩ මොනවාද බං කරන්නේ? Likewise you are talking na. That is, can you use the same? I'm not using. I never use that language. I don't like. I don't know the reason. I hate it when people are calling bang, vareng, palayang. I never use. I don't like. Even with my close friends, I talk like enda yanda, denda ganda. Right? So my friend says, I have a best friend, she says that, Priya, you drink even the cool water after making it so cold, you drink it. Right? I
Huh?
tell her,
I don't understand.
like
That
in
means
Sinhalese it says that ඔය ඇල්වතුරත් නිවලනේ බොන්නේ, you never scold people, you never fight with others කියන එකට තමයි යා කියන්නේ. ඔය ඇල්වතුරත් නිවල තමයි බොන්නේ කිය. Right? Even the cold water you make it too cold before you drink it. ඒ වගේ මේ I don't like, right? We always you want to use the appropriate language. නේද? හරි ගැලපෙන සුදුසු භාෂාවක් භාවිතා කරන්න ඕන. Suitable or proper for a situation. Always use appropriate language in formal setting. Like when you are talking to your teacher, teacher, gingen nanga. Kila kiyanne, right? You don't tell in that way. It's not appropriate. Emphasize to give special importance to something, right? I want to emphasize on this, right? These words are essential. You have to study them, memorize them. Prepare yourself for a dictation session next week. I emphasize on that. I highlighted. Mummy, example really I am telling next week you guys need to take the dictation from these words. Understood?
Can you put it in your group, teacher?
No, I can't put it in the group because it is already in the LMS. This entire document is in LMS already. Last week itself, whenever I prepare a PDF document, if I am sharing anything on screen, you will be able to get the entire document from LMS. හරිම පිළිවෙලට මේ cover page එකක් දාලා නමක් දාලා පිළිවෙලට LMS එකේ තියෙනවා හැම document එකක්. Understood? Right.
Yes,
Insight.
teacher.
What is the insight? Insight, a deep understanding of a situation or topic. What is your insight about this education system? Insight කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Deep understanding. Your deep understanding, right? What is your insight? What is your idea about? What is your opinion about this education system? Do you really like this exams and assignment system, or you want to continue your studies without the exams? What is your insight?
I don't know.
You
If
don't
I
like
say,
okay,
if I
raise
say,
okay,
they
right,
are going.
right. Give me we'll do a small thing. Raise your hand if you like exams. We love examinations, teacher. We need examinations in our school. We really enjoy our examinations. Raise your hand. Nobody is there.
No.
Seriously.
Not.
That's good. Suisna, only Suisna likes exam. Those are the wise children, these are the intelligent one, because you should have the examinations. Otherwise, you are not going to study, children. Just because of the examination, you do the studies. Just because the examinations, we are here. මම නම් කියන්නේ exam තියන්නම ඕනේ. මොකද අපි අපේ පොඩි කාලේ අපිට තිබුණ එකම දේ තමයි studies, අධ්‍යාපනය. අපි මේ තැන ඉන්න ඉගෙන ගත්ත නිසා. I am here just because of my studies. I'm surviving just because of my education. අධ්‍යාපනය කියන එකම මේ ධනය තියාගෙන තමයි මම මගේ ජීවිතය ගෙවන්නේ. මම මගේ දරුවගේ ජීවිතය හදලා දෙන්නේ. මම මගේ ගෙදර ඕන දේවල් කරගන්නේ. කිසිම දෙයක් from the background, family background එහෙම අපිට මොනවත් හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ. We created everything after completing our studies. තේරුණා නේද? ඒ studies එකට අපිව push කරේ exams. Scholarship එකෙන් පස්සේ class එකේ හැම අපිට ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාලට වගේ නෙමෙයිනේ ළමයි. April March අවසාන වෙනකොට first term. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අගෝස්තු වෙනකොට second term. ආපහු December වෙනකොට third term. ඒ කාලේ ඒ වෙලාවට නිවාඩු හම්බෙනවා. තේරුණා නේද? අගෝස්තු වල exam second term එනවා, නිවාඩු දෙනවා, මාසයක් ගෙදර ඉන්නවා, සෙල්ලම් කරනවා, ආපහු පටන් ගන්නවා. December fully holidays. February, May, April fully holidays. ඒ දවස්වල කරන්න පුළුවන් කරන හැම සෙල්ලමක් හැම දෙයක්ම කරා. ඉගෙනත් ගත්තා, සෙල්ලනුත් කරා, ගහකොළත් එක්කලා ගැටුණා, මැටුණා, හැමදේම කරගත්තා. දැන් ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාලට එක්සෑම්ස් තියෙනවා කියනවා, නෑ කියනවා, කැන්සල් කරනවා. මන්ත්‍රී පේපර් තියෙනවා කියනවා, නැතු යනවා. කිසි පිළිවෙලක් නැති එකනේ ඔතන තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නේ. අපිට තිබුණා ටාගට් එක පන්තියේ පළවෙනියා වෙන එක. අපේ ඇවරේජ් එක කලින් ඇවරේජ් එකට වඩා වැඩි කරගන්න ඒවා. ඕවා තමයි අපිට තිබුණ ඩ්‍රීම්ස්. ෆෝන් ගන්නවත්, සෝෂල් මීඩියා යන්නවත් ඒවා දේවල් තිබුණේ නැහැ අපිට. තේරුණාද? දැන් ඒක තමයි මට ඊයේ තිබුණා last Sunday yesterday no yesterday I had my final exam. මගේ යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ මගේ final exam එක තිබුණා. එතකොට මම exam එක කරලා ආවිලා මහත්තයාට කිව්වේ මේ අපි තමයි මේ ජෙනරේෂන් එකේ last luckiest one වෙන්න ඇති. ඇයි දන්නවද? අපිට දැන් paper එකක් දුන්නාම we can write whatever. assignment එකක් තනියම කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මොන document එකක් දුන්නොත් තනියම ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඕන ගාණක් ඇහුවොත් තනියම කොලේකුයි පෑනයි දුන්නොත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඉන්න කට්ටියට මොනවාද? හැමදේම ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, AI දාලා cognitive skill එකක් නැහැ. හිතන්න දන්නේ නැහැ. චූටි ගාණක් කිව්වත් calculator එක ඕන අතට. ඔබලා තමයි ගාණ කියන්නේ. කවදා හරි දවසක් එයි මිනිස්සුන්ට වඩා machines powerful වෙන. මිනිස්සු අනාගතේ මට බය ඒකයි අනාගත පරපුර හරිම මේ හිතන්න බැරි පරපුරක් එයිද කියන එක. මම ඒකනේ කියන්නේ පුතාලට පාඩම් කරන්න එපා, කටපාඩම් කරන්න එපා, හිතන්න කියලා පුළුවන් තරම් මොලේට වැඩ දෙන්න. cognitive skill එක මේ improve කරගන්න. AI යන්න එපා. කවදාවත් ඔය ChatGPT ගහගෙන ඒ දේවල් කරන්න එපා. මම ChatGPT use කරනවා. මම ගොඩක් ChatGPT use කරනවා. හැබැයි ChatGPT නැති වුණාට මට manually හැමදේම කරගන්න පුළුවන්. I don't need the ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to make my work easier. But without ChatGPT, I can do my work. Come to a positions where you can survive alone, then take the support of technology. තේරුණා නේද? ඔයාලගේ දැනුම වර්ධනය කරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ තාක්ෂණය යොදා ගන්න. දැනුමක් නැහැ. ඔලු ගෙඩිය අල ගෙඩි වගේ හිස් තියාගෙන මුකුත් නැතුව ChatGPT එක බාගෙන ඉන්න එපා. තේරුණා නේද? Understand? Right. So the insight, this is the deep insight we have about the education, about our younger generation. අපේ අනාගත පරපුර ගැන අපිට තියෙන අදහස්. හරි පුතේ. ඔන්න words ටික හරිද? I have introduced 15 new wordings. Is that clear පුතාලා?
Yes, teacher.
හරි.
Yes.
ඔන්න ඔය ටික ඔය 15ම next week we are going to use as dictation. Okay, right. This is the Vinudi Sandhya. Right, I'll read it later. See this one. You have to prepare a 2-minute structured speech. Okay. So introduction should be there. 2 main points, an example, a concluding sentence. The importance of communication skill, how sports build character, the role of technology in education. You have to take one of these topics and prepare a 2-minute speech. While you are doing the speech, for an example, if I take the role of technology in education, right? So the nowadays, if a child want to grow and achieve their dreams without much struggles, the only source is the education. Right? Now you don't want to visit a place to get yourself educated because technology has brought all the educational tools to towards your doorstep. That is the introduction. So the 2 main points, you can include 2 main points when you are talking about the education and the technology, right? Technology has made your learning easy. With the help of technology, you can gain knowledge without much struggle. On for an example, now you can provide the examples. Online classes. Matisha is in Polonnaruwa, I am in Nugegoda, right? Matisha, without going for a teacher who is in Polonnaruwa, she is attending my classes. She is not visiting a place physically, but she is getting knowledge, right? Her mother's or her parents doesn't worry about her safety because she is at home, right? She doesn't want to wear a special dress or have her hair done to attend the class, and transportation charges and everything she can save because she attend classes while being at home. One example, right? The second one is through the technology. You know that earlier when we need to learn something, we attend a local educator who is in our neighborhood. But there are some more skillful people around the world. If you are learning cooking, there are skillful people around the world. Now, if you want to be a chef, you can learn the skill of a chef from America, right? You can find the expertise to get the knowledge from the particular field with the help of technology, right? So the concluding sentences, earlier learning was difficult because even though you want to learn, the possibilities, the opportunities were very less. But now, if you consider you want to learn something, it can be programming, it can be language, it can be technology, it can be marketing, it can be any skills, anything, just the help of fingertips, you can get access to those resources. Understood? So, like that, there are 3 topics I have given. I will give you 10 minutes to prepare for a perfect structured speech. If you want me to provide further clarification, now I'm open. You can ask the question. Walada tiyana questions
Teacher,
Yeah, go ahead.
we can we do different topics? We have to only do these three.
Yes. Pick one from these 3. What I have
So
provided.
no, we can't do a different one. Only these
No,
three.
no. These are the limitations. So I have given a limit. Out of these 3, choose one, not your own.
Okay.
Anything else? Anything else? Zain, do you need any clarification?
Teacher, should we write it down?
No, please don't do that. Just point out just have the points. Just see how I speak, how I spoke. It just spontaneously I was talking, taking examples. So I'm not struggling, I'm not stucking here and there because I don't want to see the paper. I don't have any barriers because my sky is open, my topic is open. I can take the example the way I want, I can use the words as I like. Please don't write. I don't need the readers, I need the presenters. You can point out, you can take a paper and write the points and explain those points. That's totally okay, but don't write the paragraph. Anything else? Any other doubts? Nothing? Lakmin, do you have any other doubts, darling?
No, teacher.
Very good. Zain, clear. Rishini. No. Osanda, right. I'll give you 10 minutes. I am here. You can clarify whatever the doubts you have. I'm open for your questions whenever you want. Don't type, just open your microphone and ask me. I'll give you 10 minutes.
Moving coil loudspeaker has a magnet, a permanent magnet. Water starts to come up, just rises up the pump and stops, and the flame goes up. Why is that? Oxygen is being
Teacher,
Yes, darling.
so now that
I can hear someone teaching.
so now
That is Abhimansa's brother.
Who is that?
Huh? Abhimansa's brother, he's also a science teacher, but he's doing Edexcel classes.
I can hear someone talking earlier.
less gas.
That is
From the mic.
Guys, you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about others?
Ready. I
Ready, ready.
ready, teacher.
Okay. Matisha, microphone.
I prepared a very small speech.
Okay, Matisha, your microphone is unmuted.
Sorry, my technical issue.
Vinudi Sanaya. You are talking to Vinudi?
What?
You
She
guys.
is my schoolmate, no?
Yeah. She also has completed her presentation.
She only has to do the literacy devices, and then she has finished it.
All the other things she has done. Right,
Yeah.
guys. Okay. Api balamu alage presentations. Next week we will start a new lesson. Nah?
What?
Okay. Okay, we'll ask Matisha to present first.
Should I start?
Go for it.
Life is a game that you should play. Hello everyone. Today I am going to be presenting a small speech about the importance of communication. We need communication to express our ideas and feelings. We need it most. We learn it at school or sometimes from our parents. Wait. I will give you a small example. One day, Sarah wanted to express her ideas to her friends and parents about being an author and writing stories. She couldn't. She had lots of ideas in her head, but she couldn't express it to her parents and friends. They didn't understand her, and they left. Do you understand what this story is about? We need communication because it's really important for everyone. Thank you.
Ane, I need at least 2 to 3 minutes presentation, not a 1 minute presentation. That's why I gave you 10 minutes to prepare. Otherwise, why should
2
I give?
minutes.
Huh?
2 or 1 minutes, teacher.
Your presentation was very short, no?
Hmm.
I am expecting at least 3 minutes. So you should include 2 points. Each point should be explained. Give an example for each point. Right? Finally, there should be a conclusion. It is okay, Samatisha, but I was expecting something better than this. Something bigger, something standard. Okay, we'll see what Zain having for us. Amatisha, I'll come back to you again. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, we'll see what Zain is having for us.
Hello, everyone. Teacher, may I start?
Go for it.
Hello, everybody. Today I'm here. I'm going to explain about sports and sports builds character. Sports is a modern essential for building character. We can build discipline by building character means we can build discipline. We should follow rules and regulations, accepting victory and defeat. When we lose some way, sports even teaches us by playing as a team member of a team, we should play as a team. We should play teamworkly, not fight with each other. Sports even builds the discipline because teacher, can I have a little more time?
Okay. So who is okay? No problem. No problem, Zain. Go ahead. We'll move to the Lakmin. We'll see what Lakmin has for us. Go ahead, Lakmin.
Hello everyone, I am Lakmin Netsilu. Today I am here to address you all about how sports build a character. Sports build character by shaping how you think, act, and respond to challenges. To improve in any sport, you must practice regularly, follow rules, and stay committed. Sport builds character by teaching discipline, hard work, teamwork, leadership, confidence. It helps shape you into a stronger, more responsible and confident person both on and off the field. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Lakmin. Is it by hearted or is it on the script? You did your own or do you have a text on the screen? Tell me. Lakmin? Lakmin, am I audible? Pute, you present by yourself or you had something on screen? Screen එකේ මොනවද තිබ්බද නැත්නම් පුතාම හිතලා කිව්වද?
I got it in my book.
Huh? Did you all?
In my book.
That's what I told you not to do. Right? You just, because you know, when you are speaking, naturally, when you are trying to speak, you can't speak continuously. You can't do that because you need the pauses to think and grab things from here and there, combine words, construct sentences, and express yourself. That is what I want you to do. I don't want you guys to talk like a parrot. හිරවෙක් වගේ කියෝගෙන යන්න ඕනේ නෑ. ඔයාලා try කරන්න. Just take the points, what you are going to talk about and what are the main points you want to mention there. Take that point, try to explain it your own words. Take the example, make mistakes, no problem. වරද්දන්න කමක් නෑ. පොත බලාගෙන ගිරවෙක් වගේ කියවුවට වැඩක් නෑ පැංචු. වරදලා හිතලා වචන එහෙම් මෙහෙන් අහුලගෙන sentence එකක් කරගෙන වැරද්දගෙන grammar mistake කරගෙන කතා කරලා කමක් නෑ. කිසිම mistake එකක් නැතුව පොතක් බලාගෙන කියවුවට තේරුමක් නෑ. තේරුණා නේද? මම ඔයාලට opportunity දෙන්නේ use this class as a platform. to make mistake, to learn, to improve. මම දෙන ටොපික් එකට අග්ගාලා පොතකින් බලලා හරි chat GPT එකෙන් බලලා හරි කියෙව්වට පැංචෝ පුතේ ඇටියෝ ඔයාලගේ කිසිම ස්කිල් එකක් ඉම්ප්‍රූව් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මැනික. තේරුණා නේද? ඒක තේරුමක් නැහැ. විනාඩි 10ක් දෙනකොට ගන්න කොලයක්. chat GPT එකේ ගහන්න, details ගන්න, points collect කරගන්න. collect කරගෙන ඒක ගැන ඔයාලා තනියම කතා කරන්න. වරද්ද කතා කරන්න. අර මොනවද කියන්නේ? තටම කතා කරන්න. කවදා හරි දවසක ඉංග්‍රීසි එක ඕන තැනක හරිම ඕපන්ලි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. Right? You take the points, put your ideas there, collect the words, put the words into the order, make mistakes, but speak by yourself. You will see the improvement. තේරුණාද? ලක්මින් තේරුණාද බංචෝ? I read කරන්න එපා පුතේ.
Okay.
ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකක් දුන්නාම එහෙම කරන්න මෙපා. කල්පනා කර තට්ටම වචන අහුලගෙන වරද්ද කතා කරන්න. මාසයක් දෙකක් යනකොට පුතාටම තේරෙයි ලොකු ඉම්ප්‍රූව්මන්ට් එකක්. ගෙදර අයට තේරෙයි දරුවගේ ලොකු ඉම්ප්‍රූව්මන්ට් එකක්. එහෙම නැතුව ගෙදර කවුරු හරි ටීචර් වැඩක් දුන්නාම පුතේ චුට්ටක් ඉන්න කියලා net එකේ ගහලා නම් දෙන්න එපා. මං හැම අම්මා කෙනෙක්ගෙන්ම හැම තාත්තා කෙනෙක්ගෙන්ම ඉල්ලන්නේ එහෙම දරුවන්ට කරන්න එපා. එහෙම කරනකොට මම උත්සාහ කරන්නේ ඔයාලගේ පැටවුව හරියට හදලා දෙන්න. ඒක මට කරන්න බෑ. මොකද මං ළඟ හිටියනම් මං දෙන්නේ නැහැ එහෙම කරන්න. ගෙදර ඉන්නකොට ඔයාලා දෙන්නත් එපා. කියන්න ඔයාලට දන්න විදිහට කතා කරන්න. වරද්ද කියන්න. ටීචර්ගෙන් අහගන්න. එහෙම කියලා එයාලව ඒකට ફોකස් කරන්න. එතකොට තමයි මාසයක් දෙකක් යනකොට ඔයාලටම තේරෙයි ඔයාලගේ දරු පැටව ලස්සනට කතා කරයි. තේරුණා නේද? ඒ නිසා මේ මම ලියවන ප්‍රමාණය හරි අඩුයි. පුතාලට පේනවා ඇති. Normally I don't allow you to write because a language should learn while practicing. You have to speak, you have to express your ideas. මං ඔය punch ගැන හරි මොන හරි outside topic ගන්න. So you can speak out. You can tell me, teacher, there is a doll in my home. I use it for 9 years. Those are the opportunities. මම නිකන් වැල් වටාරා නිකන් මේ කේලම් කියවගෙන ඉන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක මොනවා හරි කතා කරනවා නම් ඒ පුතාලට I am giving an opportunity so you can speak out. ඔයාලා කැමති topic එකක් ගැන ඔයාලා කතා කරන්න. හරි ලක්මන after that hereafter don't do it පුතේ. එහෙම කරන්න එපා. read කරන්න එපා මහත්තයෝ. හරිද?
Okay, teacher.
හරි.
How can I say?
Who is that?
Zain.
Okay, Zain. We'll see. Zain, go for it.
Hello guys, today I'm here to do a speech on sports build character. Sports is essential for building character in modern life. Building character, examples for building character: teamwork, discipline, leadership, loss and victory. Examples for building character is the people who engage in sports reduce anger. They are less violent. Therefore, sports are something I love and enjoy. Thank you. Teacher.
Is that all? Okay, very good. A very short explanation, but it was perfect. Like Zain did right now, you struggle, no, Puta. Now it takes some time to combine the words, recall the words you read. Right? That's what you have to do. This is how you can improve. එහෙම තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ. මතක් කරන්න. You force your brain to recall what you learned, what you read. Then only your brain will start to function, right? cognitive skill will improve, right? Your memory capacity will increase. So let your brain to function. තේරුණා නේද? හරිම ලේසි. points එක ලියා ගන්න කොලේක no problem, write the points in your on your palm. මම කරන්නේ මට ඕන points එක මම ලියා ගන්නවා මගේ අල්ලේ. එතකොට here and there I see my palm and first of all I take one point and explain, then just while talking I just see my hand and move to the second point. I explain the point, give example and bring the linking. තේරුණා නේද? හරි. We'll move to the Rishni. Thank you so much, Zain. It's well, very good, huh? Very well done.
Teacher.
Rishni,
Yes, sir.
go ahead, Putta.
Importance of communicating skills. Communication skills are the ability to clearly receive ideas, feelings, and thoughts. There are two ways to improve communication skills. They are listening and reading. Therefore, we are listening to other people's and trying to understand what they are saying to us. And the other way is writing and speaking. Therefore, we are giving other people's our thoughts, ideas. We are expressing our thoughts and ideas to other people.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. That's okay because from the starting you can't speak for 3 minutes, right? 1 minute is more than enough. We will improve bit by bit. හදාගමු අපි. Rishini, thank you so much. Very well done, huh? Good. Suisna. Go for it, baby.
The role of technology in education. I think technology is good for education because the children can set classes in their home. When the child set class in his home, his parents can get decision the teacher how to teach the children, then they can get decision the child set the class or don't set the class. An example, the Lara don't like to go upstairs classes, then her parents said she in online classes. Then she go the classes. Then she has very safety because she's in her home. I think technology is very good for education because the children can learn safety in their home. Because the child is learn the lesson. The child's brothers and sisters hear the audio and learn the lesson, and it's very good chance for there. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vite. Thank you, darling. Huh? Thank you. So, like that, give a try. No problem. Huh? No problem. Step by step, you will improve. Wallet mene. Suisna tawadi kada uski chattapata gala kata harai kiya no topic again. So, I know about my children. I have seen the results. So, Suisna, work for it. Chudi topic karagena. Geddaradi. Kannadi isaraha indagana practice.
Can I go next?
You are going to go for take another chance.
Can I have a bit of time then? Can I go next?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Go for it.
Life is a game that you should play. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of education and why we need it. Communication. We need communication to express our ideas and feelings. For an example, there was a little girl who wanted to tell her parents that she really loves to read and write, and she wants to go to more classes, but she couldn't communicate it properly, and her parents couldn't understand what she's talking about, and they couldn't identify what she wants, and they left. I'll tell you how to improve them. We can learn it at school, from our guardians, and from other people. It's best to learn how to speak step by step, and improve it slowly. Then, after a few weeks or months, you will talk like a good fluent person. Next, I'm going to talk about another example. If you there was a little boy. He said to his mother that he wants to eat something, but her mother didn't understand what he's talking about, and then he gave him something else, but he didn't need that. That's why we need more communication, and we need to learn it. We need to learn more about it and become fluent at it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Matisa. Thank you so much for taking the challenge and adding yourself with elaborative content, right? Thank you so much. So, next week I am going to start a grammar session. So, these 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we were emphasizing the speaking part. But whenever I take a grammar component, I attach it with the speaking. Mostly I focus the speaking and then grammar. After that, writing and reading and writing is going to be my least important component, because when you improve your vocabulary, grammar and speaking, writing is not that difficult. You can write it very easily, right? Putting the structure on a paper is easier than you speak with somebody. Very nice one. Nice story. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Good night. We'll meet
Good night, teacher.
Thursday.
Good night, teacher. Sleep well, don't let the bed bugs bite.
Bye.
Bye.
God bless you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Night.
Good night, teacher.
Good night, darling.
I'm not leaving.
What?